Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about GameStop because GameStop had a pretty bad day yesterday. Not horribly bad, but it was down almost 3.4%. However, there was some good news after the market closed, so it pretty much got those gains back, or it's back up to 1148. And so what happened was GameStop announced that it's a voluntarily early redemptions of senior notes, so it's going to pay back about $125 million at about 6.75%. Just some money that was loaned to them that they're paying back, and they're doing that early, so that's a great sign. And the CEO talked about how they're being proactive with strengthening up their balance sheet and showing a lot of confidence for shareholders. So you're seeing that they are getting these gains back. Hopefully these gains will stick. The market, who knows how the market's going to be today? It looks like we're still going to have some of that diversion where people are going to get into value and they're selling some of the high-flying tech stocks. I don't think that'll last forever. I do think the Santa Claus rally for tech stocks will continue soon because you're going to see a lot of surprising e-commerce sales. It might be Black Friday or the run up to Black Friday that might trigger the resumed rally in tech stocks. But I do think for GameStop, the fact that they're redeeming senior notes early, that's a good sign. They're holding on to a lot of cash. They announced that they're going to have Xbox consoles available at their physical locations, in limited supply, but they will have some available. If you're trying to get a console, it's like you got to pre-order it or you're going to have a hard time finding it anywhere. But it looks like GameStop is going to have limited consoles available at their locations. That's going to help bring in a lot of foot traffic. That'll probably help them increase sales. I don't know if it'll be material enough to make an effect, but that's a good sign. I think GameStop, despite its up and down difficulties, you can tell that they are working from a place of strength where they're paying their debts back early. They're having consoles available at their physical locations. They're stepping up their e-commerce game. This is a hard stock to sort of ride out. I mean, you look at the 1-month chart, went from 1180 all the way up to 15 and then down to 1040, and now it's at 1110, but after hours it's 1150. It's like you just have to ride the volatility in this stock. But overall, I do think it'll be worth it. If you have a long-term perspective on GameStop, I think you're going to do very well. This company is definitely working to transform itself more into an e-commerce company rather than a physical company, and they are sitting on $800 million in cash, only $500 million in debt, so they're $300 million net positive with their cash, and their market cap is $723 million, so they're holding more cash than their market capitalization, and $300 million of that is free and clear. So definitely think that GameStop's a stock worth looking at. Maybe you want to wait till it maybe rises above, the 1186 just so has, 1186 just so has a little more upward momentum. But I definitely think it's a good stock, and I'm definitely sticking with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do daily updates on lots of hot stocks. I do updates on GameStop, and as well as I talk about options and option trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.